Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Jimmy Brown Fishing. Today we're going to be crappie fishing. Have some live bait. Not sure if we're going to get into it today, but I'm going to concentrate mostly on just trolling with underspins. The bite has been phenomenal. It's my second to the last day in Georgia, and I'm going to be fishing this lake today and tomorrow. Water temperature is right around 62 degrees on the surface. The air temperature 51. It's sprinkling rain right now and moderate to heavy rain later for about the next 4 hours or so. So should be a pretty good day for catching crappie. I appreciate you watching this episode. Make sure you check out all my other episodes. Leave a comment. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Catch another one. My gosh, nice crappie. Nice crappie. Just casting a jig. Decided to stop here. This place looks pretty good. Check out the size of that monster. My gosh. Man, oh man. Got her down. Size of that. Nice. It's a good hookup right there. Good hookup. Good one. Well, buddy. Thank you. I just went across a whole bunch of stumps. Triple tail? Yeah. We're fishing in about 3 feet of water. That's where these crappie are. My boat's in about 5 feet. The crappie seem to be in about 3.5 feet. But there's a lot of downed trees right there. And I'm trying to drag that jig across without getting stuck. Obviously that's not an easy task because I'm not set up for weedless, and there I got snagged. Broke it. Bob her down. There we go. Probably the smallest one I've caught this week. Let him go. right, well, that's going to do it for today. The rain has cleared out, breeze has picked up, the sun has come out. Turned out not to be too bad of a day after all, even though we were fishing in the rain almost all morning. I think we ended today with 7 or 8 keepers. Very nice ones, all of them above 13 inches. They're just really nice slabs, really nice slabs. It's been a great day on the water. Also, it's my second to the last day in Georgia. Hoping tomorrow's going to turn out to be a good day as well. We'll see what happens with that. Right now I've got snagged on a stump. Let me get that off. Okay, let's break it. Anyway, like I said, appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hope this video was as entertaining as these fish were to catch. And look forward to the next outing. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you leave a comment or a suggestion, or if you got a question. Let's catch another one.